let me tell you something.
Ooh, this sounds juicy.
I, storyteller, make mistakes all the time.
I don't.
In fact, it's natural. We all make mistakes.
Not me!
And the idea is to learn from those mistakes and just get smarter and better.
I know it all. We Jeffy-san. Abuela Bear, I'm sorry to interrupt, but your bat stew is burning. No!
Abuela Bear, your timing is perfect.
My timing is no mistake.
Speaking of mistakes, do you think that the boy who makes a million mistakes is just terrible at everything?
I know. I think he probably likes to try new things, and that is where we usually learn and grow.
True, and that's where we make mistakes because we've never done that thing before.
Unless you are with Chefy saying and burn the bad stew that you have made a million times because she wanted to talk about herself.
Does Abuela know things or what? Now, let's see what this boy is cooking besides an egg on his head. This is Milo, and Milo wants to be a baker.
Hello, Milo.
He loves baking cupcakes,
Yeah,
and cookies,
my favorite.
and pies,
Milo and I are gonna be friends.
but he keeps making mistakes. He pours too much flour. He overmixes his batter. He carries too many eggs at once. You know what? Let's just flip over to a cleaner page, shall we? He also, McDonald baked a pie. Ow! Gets distracted and ow, forgets to use oven mitts. Poor Milo, I think, is so excited he's forgetting to be careful.
Not me! I approach everything with precision and perfection. We Chefy saying? Yes, Abuela Bear. You forgot to close your cave and your bats all flew away. No! But really, they should be free.
So why is Milo baking? The school bake sale is next week, so Milo practices by baking cookies and selling them outside his house. Bake sale, practice, 25 cents. Huh, that is a steal and a deal. Oh, look, first customer. A sweet little old lady comes along and buys a cookie using her gold 25-cent piece, and she takes a bite and then woof, bluff.
Whoa, I've never heard sounds like that before.
Me neither.
I hope she's okay.
Me too. Then she spits it out and scurries away. Ma'am, you dropped your cane? Keep it! I need to go lie down. And then a dog comes along and sniffs the cookie. And then and he too scurries away. You dropped your collar. Woof! Woof! Indeed. Are the cookies really that bad? Milo wonders to himself, and then he takes a bite. Yuck! Yikes! Apparently it's so bad it sends your Band-Aid flying off your burned hand bad. Who made these? Milo mutters to himself. Oh, right. I did. My mistake, folks. I should have tried them first. But does Milo stop? No. Milo goes home and tries baking again. But he's still making a million mistakes. He uses salt, thinking it's, sugar. He pours vinegar instead of water.
Ooh, valid substitution.
He adds too much baking powder, and the cookies turn bitter. Very bitter. His batter also turned green. Milo thinks he's missing an ingredient, but what is it?
I don't know, but now I'm batter curious.
Well, so am I. Milo is frustrated and wants to give up. This is too hard. I'll never get it right, he exclaims. And he's mad and frustrated. And he throws his arms up in the air, feeling defeated. But he recalls his idol, Chef Gustave, who once said, "Keep trying and you will create the taste of happiness."
I love baking the taste of happiness.
Abuela Bear, you are a pro at it.
Milo, I know it isn't easy, but don't give up. Because, kid, if you love something, it is worth the effort.
And that is advice from someone who knows. So, Milo takes a deep breath. He wipes his tears. He wipes his glasses clean. Squeaky, 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 squeaky. And he is determined to try again. And look at him. He now has the eye of the tiger. Let's do this, but better. To stay focused, he turns off the TV. Oh, smart, so he won't get distracted. He makes a to-do list. Also smart, so he won't forget a step. Then he decides to close his eyes and takes a few deep breaths and imagines baking delicious cookies. We are visualizing fresh baked cookies that will not terrify little old ladies or dogs.
We are breathing, relaxing, and focusing.
One last breath. Ready? Milo tries again. This time he concentrates more. He reads the recipe closely, smart, and pays extra attention. He measures carefully and pours the right amount of flour. He gently stirs the batter, not overmixing this time. All clear. And after many tries, Milo finally finishes baking his 11th batch. 11 batches of cookies. And just as he's about to taste one, this is the moment of truth. His mom says, "Let's go, Milo. I have something planned." "What? Right now?" Milo quickly packs up his cookies. "Where are we going?" he asks. "It's a surprise," Mom replies with a smile, and off they go, and we're left hanging. Milo and his mom walked by a crowded yellow tent, and Milo's eyes widen. Wow! A cooking contest! And what were the chances? Chef Gustav is the judge.
Ay, that is the taste of happiness, Yoy.
That's Milo's inspiration, you know.
Oh, I know.
What a nice surprise. So each contestant is highly skilled and talented with many years of experience. Look at those knife skills. They are all confident and ready to impress the judge. Welcome to Cook Off in the Park with the best chefs in town.
What are you doing?
This is my chef show host voice.
Oh, makes sense now.
Ready? The clock is ticking. The chefs are racing against time as they work hard to finish their dishes. Time has flown by and now it's time to judge. Chef Isabella has made grilled beef tenderloin with a creamy herbal buttery sauce.
Yum.
Chef Alex has prepared seared scallops with a fancy cauliflower mash. Chef Oliver has prepared herb-crusted lamb with roasted vegetables. And now he tastes. Judge Gustav takes small, thoughtful bites, savoring each flavor in each dish, not wanting to miss a single detail. The competition is intense. Milo takes a drink from his backpack or three as he watches closely. Nom 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 nom. Gulp 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 gulp. Nom 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 nom. Gulp 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 gulp. I am so winning this. I have it in the bag. I know that the best one is me. Let's see what the judge thinks. So, Judge Gustav is about to announce the winner, but he suddenly jumps up and explains, "Wait! What's that smell?" Gulp, 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 gulp. Gulp, 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 gulp. Why is Milo suddenly so thirsty? Gulp, 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 gulp. "What's in this box?" Judge Gustav asks. "Cookies," says Milo. Judge Gustav opens the box and smells the cookies. Those cookies must have a very powerful aroma. He reaches for one. No! Milo yells, eyes wide with panic. "Don't eat that! I made them! They're terrible! Nom 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 nom. But it's too late. It's too late. Judge Gustav has already taken a bite. Terrible? 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 No! No! It's incredible! What? Judge Gustav, with tears of joy, not horror, streaming down his face, exclaims, "It's more delicious than any gourmet dish I've ever tasted." But wait, he's not done raving about the cookies. He continues, "Extra crispy on the outside, warm and tender and fuzzy on the inside. Every bite is a rich, velvety sweetness that melts in your mouth and hugs your heart. It reminds me of my grandmother's hugs."
Well, that is the best compliment a cookie can receive. Abuela, I want cookies!
Save me one! And the winner is this kid. He doesn't even know Milo's name. Milo can't believe he's won the competition. Neither can they. At last, he learns that the secret ingredient is never giving up. Repeating that for the folks in the back. The secret ingredient is never giving up. I lost to chocolate chip cookies. Wah, wah, wah. Oh. They're taking it well. Surprise, Milo! We're having a picnic today. We're over here. Whoops. Oh, that was a surprise, not the other one? Sometimes a mistake is actually a pretty good thing. Since then, Milo has been feeling more confident. He still makes mistakes, like we all do, but he learns from them and keeps making awesome chocolate chip cookies. Because why? Because he did not quit.
Lucky for me, I do everything perfectly the first time.
Is that so?
Perfection just comes naturally to me. What's happening?
Wait, Chef is saying you are burning your butts too.
No! Again! Ah!
Perfect.
No!